Hey everybody, it's Lindsay Adler, and I got to test drive Canon's new 5D Mark IV before its release. I'd love to take you through the elements that were required to capture this image. I wanted to channel a little bit of old Hollywood and make an image that was all about golden tones, and thankfully I had a team that could help me out. Johnny Gonzalez gave me the beautiful, perfect look for hair and makeup. And thankfully, wardrobe stylist Lisa Smith-Craig was able to get the absolute perfect dress because not only did it channel the mood that I was going for, but it allowed me to create the movement that I needed in the scene to give me an image with impact and drama. Of course, I was shooting with a Canon 5D Mark IV, and I chose the Canon 24-70 2.8 Mark II lens because it would give me the flexibility to adjust my frame for this full-length shot. Because color is so essential to the shoot, I grabbed my X-Rite Passport color checker to make sure I got it right. For this scene, I used two Profoto D1 Air 500-watt strobes. Now my main light was a big, soft light source to allow my subject to glow. I chose a Profoto Deep Umbrella White XL with diffusion. But then what I did is I added a black V-flat, and what that did is it blocked light off from the background. And then for my second strobe, I added a 20-degree grid, and what it would do is give me a little bit of glow behind my subject on that beautiful hand-painted background. A Cinemagraph is a living photo. It's a still frame where part of the image is moving and it really brings it to life. I wanted to try out the 5D4's dual pixel autofocus, and this would be perfect to try out with a Cinemagraph. So I shot in a tripod and I tried moving a variety of different elements, sometimes a tool, sometimes a dress, sometimes the hair, sometimes her hands, and this is the Cinemagraph I came up with. To archive my files, I rely on G-Tech. For taking my files on the go, I use my G-Tech EV RAW, but then what's fantastic is to archive them, to back them up, I have my G-Speed Studio XL with more than 18 terabytes of rated space. Retouching allows me to put the finishing touches on the images because I can remove distractions from the frame and perfect the skin. I put the Canon 5D Mark IV through its paces and I was able to get a beautiful file with rich golden tones, great detail, and a really enchanting Cinemagraph. If you like this video, be sure to check out more of how I got the shot.